Want to clear cache and app data on your iPhone to free up storage? Here's the fastest way to do it. Method 1, clear App Store data. Open App Store, tap your profile icon, top right, tap Personalized Recommendations. Then tap Clear App Usage Data. Confirm again. Method 2, clear cache for apps. Go to Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Now, select any app using a lot of space. Tap Offload App, confirm Offload App. Then tap Reinstall App. Oh, this removes cache and temporary files without deleting your account. Oh, an important tip. Some apps like browsers or social media also have built-in cache clear options inside the app settings. Check there too. And an extra tip, focus on large apps like social media or games to free up the most space quickly. That's it. Your iPhone storage should now be cleaner and faster. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.